In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Payhip appearance. If you want to quickly adjust the way your Payhip dashboard looks, this is a very simple setting to update. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to switch the interface to dark mode directly from your account dashboard. This can make the screen feel easier on the eyes, especially if you work at night or simply prefer a darker layout. To get started, go to the Payhip dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access the main admin area. Once the dashboard loads, stay on that page because the appearance option is available right from the top section of the screen. Next, look toward the top of the dashboard near your account area. You should see a sun icon beside your account. This icon is the shortcut for appearance or display settings. Click on that sun icon to open the available theme options. If you don't notice a big menu right away, just pay attention to the small drop-down or pop-up that appears after you click it. From there, click on Enable Dark Mode. As soon as you select it, Payhip should update the appearance of the dashboard and switch from the lighter theme to a darker one. This change is usually immediate, so you can instantly tell whether the setting has been applied successfully. If you're following along and nothing seems to change, give the page a moment to refresh visually. In most cases, the update happens right away, but sometimes it can take a second for the interface to fully redraw. Also, make sure you click the correct icon near the account section, since that's where this setting is located. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that this change is mainly about your viewing experience inside the platform. So if you spend a lot of time managing products, checking sales, or editing your store, dark mode can be a nice comfort setting to turn on. It won't require any complicated setup, and you can usually switch back later if you decide you prefer the standard look. And that's all it takes to change Payhip appearance by enabling dark mode. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make your workspace feel more comfortable and personalized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.